Alright you guys, so welcome back to a new video. I'm done with finals, so which means more videos and more content out for you guys. In this video, I'm gonna be going out into the forest to try to use my new gear that I just bought. I just bought a new gimbal, and that's basically a stabilizer for my camera to get smoother shots. And I'm also gonna show you guys my new lens, my Sigma 18-35 f1.8, and the reason why I got both of these items. This is not an in-depth review of any of these because this is my first time ever getting them, my first time ever working with them. So I'm gonna be using my small Sony vlogging camera that I got about a year ago. I don't know how well the quality is gonna be compared to this one, so just bear with. Yeah, so make sure to hit the like button, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm at 61 subscribers right now. I want to get to 100 real quick, so let's go. Right now I'm using the smaller camera, my Sony camera. Right now I'm walking down the hill, trying to find a spot where I can set up everything. But everything's wet because it's been raining, but it was my first gimbal ever. So I'm excited to use it. I've never used one before. But I've done a lot of research on them. They're pretty cool. Like, they stabilize all your shots and they make your production of your videos even that much better. Right here I think it'll be a good way to show how it works because it's on a flat ground. I have to really try and be stable with my shots. Let me find a spot. So I have to set it up. I have to set it up first. I set it up in the room, but it didn't fit in my backpack set up. I don't want to ruin any of the gimbals. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just set up the gimbal, the 3-axis gimbal, and the camera. I'm walking down a bike lane. This is where people bike. Very shaky and very unstable ground. So I'm showing you guys how the gimbal works in those type of environments and what type of shots you can get with it. Again, this is my first time ever using it, and I'm using a Canon T6i with a Sigma 18-35. So it's a pretty big load. I don't know how to say the name. Zhiyun Crane V2. It's more for mirrorless and smaller DSLR cameras. Let's see what type of shots we get with this. Alright, so right now I'm walking downhill, down a steep ass mountain. I'm gonna see what type of shots I can get with this. I'm using it with one hand, so bear with me. I'm just having fun with this stuff. So again, I'm using two cameras at the same time. You guys are gonna see the same shots I got with both. I'm making myself down this hill. Try to be really careful. With the gimbal and two cameras down a steep hill is not a great idea. I'm a dumbass. I'm scared because I'm carrying. Like I said, I'm scared. Everything's wet. I don't want to fall and break my lens. I just got it. It's an expensive lens. Okay, so I'm gonna get up there. Shit. Look how steep that is. That's uphill. And then down there is downhill. I think I want to go down and then come up. But I'm carrying two cameras and a gimbal. Shit, hold on. I'm trying to take it slow. It's so hard when you don't have no balance with your hands. But just look at how stable this is. I'm not recording right now, but this is the stupidest shit I've ever done. think I found the way. Man, that's the reason why I don't want to come out. I'm out of shape. Ever since I stopped playing basketball and cutting hair, just to cut hair in school, all this kills me. Hold up. Whoa.
I think I got my swagger back.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
This is not an in-depth review of, how to use a gimbal, because it's my first time ever using it and my first time ever buying one. So I just wanted to show you guys what it is and the functions of it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep the vlog going. I think I'm gonna go find somewhere to sit down, and then I'm gonna explain to you guys the lens I'm using, the Sigma 18-35, and like what it is and why I decided to buy it. The reason why I chose the Sigma 18-35 f1.8 lens was because of the 1.8. That means that the lens is so wide open that it's great in low light because more light goes into the lens, into the sensor in the back. This blurry background right here, you guys see in the background, that's done because of the 1.8, and that makes it a greater depth of field. That's what they call it, and that just creates this effect that everything's blurry. It makes it more cinematic, I feel like. And it's also great for portraits. 35mm is pretty good for portraits and stuff like that. So I just wanted to get a lens that's very versatile that I'm gonna use every single day, because it is an expensive lens. It's like $800 on Amazon. But I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna just buy it. I'm gonna use it every single day. I'm gonna use it to take pictures. I'm gonna use it to make videos. So why not? But yeah, that's the reason why I decided to buy this lens. The reason why I bought the gimbal was because I wanted to up my, like I said before, the production of my videos up. I know I'm not, I'm a small channel and I'm barely growing, but I'd rather, put stuff that I'm proud of and stuff that I work hard for than just to put stuff, random stuff out there, which is pretty easy just to throw, content out. But I wanted to make a channel where I'm proud of, and I could tell people, oh, I have a YouTube channel, even though I have 60 subscribers right now. I'm proud of it because I work hard and I edit really hard, and I take a lot of time and pride into doing everything that I do. So hopefully that effort and this investment is gonna just help me grow, not as a YouTuber but as just a person. Alright, so it's enough time of me sitting there contemplating life. No, but it's nice. It's super quiet here. You can actually think and rewind from all the stress from finals and trying to work every day. It's nice just to be, I guess, by yourself and regather your thoughts and appreciate life more. I just remember that I'm gonna make I'm gonna make another Instagram. My other Instagram is gonna go on private because that's where I have all my high school pictures and my basketball pictures, and I don't want to delete that Instagram. So that Instagram is gonna go on private, and then I make a public one for my YouTube and all my photography and my cinematography stuff. That one I'm gonna try to post more consistently. So I think that's gonna do it for me. I've been walking for like about 2-3 hours now across campus and in the woods, and leave you guys. Make sure to follow my new Instagram when that comes out. But on to the next one. Peace.